So this is the finished result. Okay, so I cut the bangs with scissors. I cut them like this. And yo, it was such a hard time to cut them correctly. I still have to cut some small pieces of hair, but for the rest I'm very satisfied. Okay, so all the details are here on my phone. This is a yaki long straight full lace wig. Okay, this is human hair and this has bangs. For the bangs you have two options you can choose from. You can choose the full thick bangs and also the wispy see-through bangs, and I have the full thick bangs. Their see-through bangs are kind of thin, and I like my bangs to be thick, and I was really surprised because these bangs are not that thick. Okay, it's still a little bit see-through, but I like that. You know, I like that. It's natural. It's not like Cardi B bangs. I don't want Cardi B bangs. I want natural bangs, okay? And these are like so perfect. They were so long, and yeah, the point is you have to cut them according to your size of head and all kind of stuff. I chose the silky hair. You also have the option to choose yaki hair. And I also let them dye my hair jet black. That was also an option, to let your hair dye in certain color. This is 150% density. The hair, it is not thick. Like, this is all the hair. I like it. This is perfect. You don't need to have like more density than this. Like, the 150% density is perfect for this wig because, you know, it still has some flow to it, and it's like laying very sleek and straight. I straightened the hair in maybe like 1 minute because I didn't need to do much. Okay, like as you can see, the hair is very straight and I like that. Okay, and I chose 22-inch and the hair comes right under my boobies. Okay, so I like that. I always take 22-inch if I'm wearing straight hair because it is the perfect length for me. I also have a cap size large because I always, you know, do my cap sizes large because I have a big head. I have a lot of hair. I want my wigs to sit comfy on my head and snug on my head, and this wig fits perfectly on my head. It has the adjustable straps on the back for extra security, and it has like 3 combs in here. I don't use the side combs, but I do use this comb, and this comb is a lifesaver because it makes sure that your hair doesn't like fly away or something like that. But yeah, this is a full lace wig, so that means you can part this hair anywhere, but I don't really do that. So I received this wig from EvaWigs and I'm very satisfied with the hair. Like, the hair is so soft, and if you have a full lace wig, sometimes you have a little bit more shedding than normal because it is a full lace wig. Okay, these are not tracks sewn on a lace cap. If you have a little bit of shedding, it's completely normal, but this hair doesn't really shed, only when I'm like styling it, when I'm combing it. Like now I'm finger combing it. Let me see how many hairs I can pull out. Okay, none. So that's great. Yeah, while I was combing it, I just had a few hairs coming out, but I don't even mind. Like, that's not even all hair sheds, okay? But this doesn't really shed. You know what I like about this hairstyle? That you don't have to worry about your edges or whatever. You can just, you don't even have to put makeup on your eyebrows. Like, you don't have to apply foundation on your forehead because no one will see it. Here's a close-up look. Like I said, I want to cut like a small layer here so it's like a smooth transition. Let me turn around so you can see from the back. You know, the other day I was checking out EvaWigs on YouTube, and I was just like checking out their different wigs and hairstyles and all that kind of stuff, and they have really cute wigs and all their wigs are affordable. I know, like, the hair companies, sometimes they are quite expensive, like $500 wigs and stuff. Sorry, but that's way too much. That's over our budget. Well, like, you should definitely check out EvaWigs because their wigs are affordable. If great hair is affordable, like, you should definitely check them out. Like, look, the flow of this hair is insane. This is not stiff at all, and even though this hair is dyed jet black, this hair still looks really healthy. The ends look really healthy. So I'd say definitely check them out if you want to have like an affordable wig. And this hairstyle, I really like this hairstyle. I never tried something like this and I'm actually really happy with the results, okay? Even though I struggled cutting the bangs, I'm so happy. Like, this is definitely a great summer, spring, winter, fall hairstyle, okay? This hair matches all seasons. Like, okay, you can pull off great looks with this hair. That's what I'm about to do, okay? That's what I'm about to do. If you guys want me to do an update on this hair, because I will wear this hair for a while, I know myself. I know myself, because I don't have to do any efforts, you know, in just doing all of this. Okay, in the morning I can just put on my wig and go. All the hair details about this beautiful unit are in the description box. You definitely need to check them out, okay, because this hair is really good quality. I can tell already. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Am I rocking it? I think I'm rocking this hairstyle. Okay, I really like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.